Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, I will demonstrate how to perform what I refer to as a flower stitch in some of my knitting patterns. To get started, bring the yarn to the front to purl. We will first purl 3 together, but do not slide those 3 stitches off of the left needle. We will then make a yarn over and we will purl those same 3 stitches together once more. Finally, you can slide those 3 stitches off the needle. So what we have done is we have maintained the same number of stitches but bound our initial 3 stitches together before we created our other 3 stitches. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that once more. So purl 3 together without sliding those stitches off the left needle. Then yarn over and purl those same 3 stitches together once more. Now you can slide those stitches off the left needle. Congratulations! You now know how to perform the flower stitch. If you have any questions, go ahead and replay this video at a slower speed or leave your questions and comments in the comments below. I hope you found this tutorial simple and easy to follow. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the knitting channel. I hope to see you around. Happy knitting!